Hey YouTube, I'm finally back with another YouTube video for you guys. So like I always say, let's get right to it. So this client reached out to us and requested the standard driveway pressure washing and also the window cleaning, which you guys will finally see us do. So after giving the client his quote and agreeing upon the price, we got straight to work. So for the driveway pressure washing, as you guys have seen in our previous videos, we use the good old surface cleaner as it helps us clean larger areas like the driveway more effectively, more consistently, so we don't miss any spots, and helps us achieve overall a more uniform finish. And at the same time, we were also using the pressure washer to spray all the dirt away to make the driveway look sparkly. Hey guys, so we didn't really take any horizontal clips for the YouTube video. Instead, we took a whole bunch of vertical clips which will be going on our TikTok and our Reels. So we will be going more into depth about the whole window cleaning process in our next videos, so stay tuned for that.